Hello, Speed Quiz! 62 animal challenges are waiting, and every correct answer moves your score. So, how many can you crack before the reveal? Decode the emoji sounds. Which animal do they form? The answer is butterfly, a gentle opener. Listen to both sounds. What do they make? Seahorse. The dad carries the eggs. Role reversal. Which animal appears when the two clues merge? This is seal. One letter does all the work. Choose one answer. How many hearts does an octopus have? 3, 1, or 8? Three wins. 8 was the arm count trap. Read the pair aloud. What appears? We're looking at Starfish. No brain, no blood. Pure seawater engineering. If you had it, add a point. Can you build the animal from these pieces? Panda. Bamboo keeps it chewing for 14 hours a day. Sound out both clues. What do you get? The correct answer is chipmunk. Those expandable cheeks still get me. Pick one of 4. What is a group of crows called? A. A choir. B. A parliament. C. A pod. D. A murder. A murder of crows. Beautifully grim. Name the result of this emoji pair. That was Ladybug. One can devour thousands of aphids. Which animal is formed by the letter in picture? Zebra. Every stripe pattern is unique. Say both clues together. What do they sound like? It's toucan. That giant bill also helps release body heat. If you got it, take the point. Combine the royal clue with the action. What appears? King meets fisher. Kingfisher. Its beak inspired Japan's bullet train. Choose truth or myth. Ostriches bury their heads in the sand when scared. Here we have a myth. They're turning eggs in a ground nest. That fooled me as a kid. Merge these two ideas. What do they create? Grasshopper. 20 body lengths in one leap. Can you solve this sound combination? The solution is Earwig. The ear-crawling story is only folklore. 3 clues, 1 animal. What is it? Sound it out quickly. Pen-G, wind becomes penguin. Say it fast. Satisfying, right? That penguin reveal leads to a clever survival trick. The huddle keeps rotating, so every bird reaches the warm center and nobody stays on the frozen edge. Read the weather and wildlife pair. What's hiding there? The answer is reindeer. Winter turns its eyes blue. If you had it, add 1 point. Add the letter to the emoji. What appears? Snail, thousands of tiny teeth. That image stays with me. Put the two clues together. What do they form? This is Terrapin, a properly tough puzzle. Which animal makes the longest migration on Earth? The humpback whale, the Arctic tern, or the monarch butterfly? The Arctic tern goes pole to pole following summer. Sound the two emojis out. What do you get? We're looking at Bullfrog. That call can travel nearly a kilometer. Join the symbol and the letter. What animal appears? Newt. It can regrow legs, lenses, retinas, and heart tissue. Decode the page and pie. What do they make? The correct answer is Magpie. One study suggested mirror self-recognition. Later tests were inconclusive. Memorize the positions. Keep the grid in your head. Spot 4 held the otter. Build the answer from these two clues. That was Peacock. Peacocks never do subtle, and I respect it. This sport shares its name with what creature? Cricket. Count a snowy tree cricket's chirps for 14 seconds, then add 40 to estimate degrees Fahrenheit. Put the horn and net together. What appears? It's hornet. Japanese honeybees can mob one with a lethal heat ball. And hornets have another remarkable trick. They chew wood into pulp and build a paper-like nest, millions of years before humans made paper. Combine the three clues. Which animal do they sound out? Do-en-ki. Donkey. If you solved it, take the point. Search this pair for the hidden name. Here we have beagle, 220 million scent receptors. Astonishing. The picture has two meanings. Which animal is one of them? Kiwi. The fruit borrowed the bird's name. Choose one of 4. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to a human's? Don't trust your first instinct. The solution is koala. Near human prints, separate evolutionary path. An anteater has no teeth. I'd still avoid that tongue. The answer is centipede. Exactly 100 legs? Never. If you got it, add 1 point. Add the letter to the badge. Which animal appears? Badge plus R gives badger. Some sets last centuries. Unlikely sounds, one answer. What do they create? This is chameleon. Find the odd one out. Which one is not an insect? Ant, termite, beetle, or spider? Spider. 8 legs and 2 body sections make an arachnid. Turn the sound and letters into an animal. We're looking at moose. Those antlers are dropped and rebuilt yearly. What animal comes from these 3 clues? Pine-billed porcupine. The quills never launch. Can you assemble this 4-part animal name? The correct answer is caterpillar. And its body is even stranger. A caterpillar uses roughly 4,000 muscles. The entire human body has about 600. Search the road scene. What name is hiding there? Say it before time runs out. Road plus runner races straight to roadrunner. Blend the fruit sound with the letters. What animal is it? That was lemur. Madagascar keeps that answer all to itself. Weevil. More species than all mammals combined. Brutal. Fill in the missing letter. It's the letter I, pelican. That pouch holds plenty. This machine shares its name with what? Crane. The bird named the machine? If you had it, add 1 point. An undercover agent shares this word with what? Here we have mole. I like that underground to undercover word shift. Combine the flame, the word, and the green signal. Flame in, go flamingo. Its diet creates the pink color. Name the image as it zooms. What animal feature is this? Name it before the full reveal. The solution is an owl's eye. Those tube-shaped eyes force the famous head turn. This country shares its name with what creature? Turkey, a geographic mix-up that stuck. The answer is tapir. Its nose and upper lip form a tiny hand. If that surprised you, tap like. Which animal comes from the playing card and letters? Jackal. One wild dog pair can stay together for life. That bond goes further. Jackals hunt as a pair, and older pups often stay to help raise the next litter. This is hedgehog. About 5,000 spines packed into one ball. What does this sporting symbol suggest? Those gloves mean boxer. I love a name matching the movement. Can you decode this three-piece animal? We're looking at wallaby, small kangaroo cousin, serious hill specialist. Which of these can survive the vacuum of space? A cockroach, an ant, or a tardigrade? The tardigrade survives by drying into a waiting husk. Match the tool with the head shape. What appears? Almost there. Commit to one answer. The correct answer is hammerhead. Wide head, wider senses. Brilliant. Which creature shares its name with this mark? A check mark becomes tick. Patient little hitchhiker. Put the three sounds together. What do you get? That was nightingale. Males sing by day and night. Which animal lives the longest? Galapagos tortoise, Greenland shark, bowhead whale, koi carp. Greenland shark. Some age estimates exceed 400 years. This flying toy shares its name with what? It's kite. I always see the toy before the bird. Combine the person, letter, and drink. What animal appears? Manatee makes manatee. Sailors once imagined mermaids. Guess from 3 clues. I keep my baby gills for life. I can regrow a leg, a tail, even part of my brain. I am called the Mexican walking fish, but I am not a fish. Here we have axolotl, nearly gone in the wild, yet thriving in aquariums. Final puzzle. What animal do the 4 pieces form? Arm-a-dill-o makes armadillo. 9-banded armadillos usually have identical quadruplets. What a finish. Which animal puzzle fooled you longest? Tell me the round in the comments. For more quick games, hit subscribe on Speed Quiz.